My car just rolled off of its dollies, off of its ramps. It's been up there for years. It may have caught the side. Whose bright idea was it to pump up these tires?
What did you do?
I was working over here on unboxing the thing, and it just rolled off the ramps.
Did it roll into the truck?
Luckily, I just barely moved the truck back, like, you know, where I would put it. If it would have been there, it would have crushed both of them. That's what I get for pumping up the tires. Looks like it didn't hit the truck. I just barely moved the truck back. I don't think it hit. I just can't believe it didn't hit. Let's go look at the other side. I'm almost in shock. I can't tell. Holy